Yo guys, welcome to a new update on Bitcoin. Today it's Saturday, the 28th of May. Yeah. Yo guys, welcome to a new update on Bitcoin. Today it's Saturday, and as you all know, on Saturday on the weekends we don't really trade because a lot of fake moves can happen during the weekend as the volume is very low. The volume is low for sure. Has been low for a while now. If we're going to look at what happened since the last fit, nothing really happened actually. We are still ranging. Really nothing interesting happened. The range just, as I said in the previous vid, around 28k. That's the range low for at least for this on the low time frame, on the 1 hour time frame. The 28k is the range low around this area, and the range high is around 32k. So as you all see, this is we just move, we just bounce from the range low to the range high. Nothing really happens until we break this range. This chart is from a while ago, actually, from I think 4 or 5, maybe 4 videos ago, and it's still following this path. Maybe it takes a bit longer, but it's still following this path. So we are consolidating. We are trying to go to the order block here to around 27k till 25k, 25k. This is the area where I want to see the price go. I want to see that it comes into this order block and it bounces from this order block. And from there on, I want to see it take out these highs, change the structure, or at least on the lower time frame, and then continue the move upward. That is also the best scenario for the bulls. So I'll repeat it again and summarize. We want to see a bounce in this area, a move to this area, then a bounce, then a claim of these highs. So this is a significant high, and from there we want to see a move further upward, maybe a pullback first, but then a move further upward to around 37k, around this area. For the bears, it's still the same as last fit. For the bears, we want to see a lost 25k, around that level, 25.3. That is the area we want to see. We want to lose to really activate some bearish momentum. If this loses, at least I must say we do have one other option. If we lose this level, at least we could see a bullish divergence and move something like this. So like I said, we want to see this. Let's make that white. This, and then a move under this low to get some liquidity, and then a move further upward like this. That's also a possibility that could happen. But for the bulls, I like to see this level claimed. This level must be claimed, and for the bears, I want to see acceptance below this level. So some daily candle closes below that level. That's a clear sign of acceptance. Like I said, if we look at the daily now, not really easy to spot anything actually, but just some consolidation, nothing really happening here. Still on a big support though, I must say, on a bigger higher time frame range. This is just a range. Then we are still on a very strong support level. We haven't lost this, although it looks like it, we haven't lost it. We're still holding it, and if we manage to bounce from here, then it should be a nice little trend. But I don't think we will bounce to like higher levels from here. I don't think there's any opportunity for that. Let's check Bitcoin dominance as well. Yeah, so yeah, this is extremely bullish, extremely bullish, really. Like I said in the previous video, it rejected from this area, so from the supply here, it rejected a little bit. Maybe we can see a move to 45%. Alts are already growing again, so increasing in price again. As for example here, FTM is moving upwards a bit. 4% on the day is decent for a bear market, because I do think we are in a bear market. Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking for the Bitcoin dominance. I think we could see a pullback to around 45%, 44%, and from there we probably going to see a move further upward to, yeah, to 50% at least, this area, and maybe even further to 60%. But that's far away for now. And like I said in the previous videos, if that happens, then altcoins are really screwed. But for now, just focus on Bitcoin. I wouldn't touch altcoins yet. At least maybe some of them, like MKR, is bouncing pretty strong and pretty hard. So that could be an incentive to trade that in the long in uptrend. I mean, so for longs. But I wouldn't touch altcoins for longs, to be honest. I would just look for shorts, and every move upward, I would short down to the previous low. Okay, that's about it. If you have any questions, just ask me, send me a DM, or react in the YouTube comments, and I'll try to answer them. Okay, guys, thank you. Bye bye.